morning coffee. We're gonna head up to Lutsen Mountains this weekend. The wife has to work today, but I don't. So I'm just gonna enjoy this, and I'm gonna pick her up in a few hours, and yeah, the whole fam's going up to Lutsen, so cheers. What are we thinking, girls? Excited for Lutsen? What the doogs? What's up, doggies? Oh, hey. Kind of want one of those lights in our house. We should do that.
All these couches.
Real Christmassy in here.
Here's the real reason we're in here. Coffee.
One sip, everybody knows the rules.
I thought it was first sip.
2 sips, everybody knows the rules. $8.8. Solid.
190 degrees. I think it's 190.
190 degrees, coffee and
190.
tea. Duluth. I probably could even give mine a higher.
I'm gonna go with a 9 flat.
9 flat?
This is really good.
Yeah. For 88 miles, stay on the course.
And they 2 more hours to go.
Hour and 45 minutes. Just sit tight and enjoy the ride.
Can you show
Holy pothole to hell.
Holy fudge! Why do I always get the videos of us like just launching the van in this video?
I don't know, dude.
That's fun.
Oh.
Oh dear. We currently cannot even make it up the hill in the van. It is pure ice, and we have just been spinning nonstop. And so we've been trying for almost an hour now to get up to our hotel in Lutsen, and this van just does not like ice or hills.
I don't understand how his is just pulling this. I'm not even on the gas right now.
Don't worry guys, we made it. Barely. Just an hour and a half, if not almost 2 hours later. So thankful for the people that actually towed us up here. We literally wouldn't have made it up here, so.
Good girl, Pepper. Huge dump. Good girl. Right at the mountain end. Don't worry, I'll pick it up. Good girl. Bright and early here at Lutsen Mountain. There's a ski run right over there. I'm excited to check this place out. I've only been here in the fall. I've never been here in the winter, so never snowboarded it. Well, yeah, we're gonna shred the slopes today. It's not even that cold. I think it's supposed to get to like 26 today, so that's no problem. Morning.
It's so pretty here though. There's Lake Superior.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that.
I think they got what, like 30 plus inches of snow?
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah, this is insane.
I think some of it melted though because it was a little warm, but
yeah.
it's been. So we're in Lutsen, Minnesota, up on the North Shore on Lake Superior.
At least they're standing now, so we can go do a tour of one of our favorite coffee shops.
Weird, we're going to a coffee shop.
We debated on Ubering down there. That's how desperate we are. Like, this is like a cute little...
We gotta show off our sick FXR kit. FXR, FXR, FXR.
Not FXR, just FXR up top though.
But yeah, they got the
FXR.
nicest snow.
This thing is the warmest. The only thing that's
comfiest
cold right
jacket,
now is my
comfiest.
fingers. You look cozy
I do.
and ready for coffee.
Oh yeah, always ready for that.
We're here. I'll try it.
It's a 10. I'm just kidding. 9.5.
I'm gonna rank it a 9-1, and I'm gonna say one better than the one yesterday because I can taste more of the coffee.
Powder, but it's steep too, so like I know you're not gonna get stuck.
Don't worry, the van made it up the hill. Now we're on our way to go snowboarding.
I say we take the chairlift up there because that looks like the run I want to hit right there.
I'm so excited.
I'm doing the hang loose, but you can't see it.
Lift number 1. Okay, well, we're gonna go now.
Are you ready?
We're ready. Yep.
How'd the first run go?
Good. It was fun. It was a lot of powder.
I dig it.
I remember how.
You're shredding.
Oh. Lutsen is honestly really cool. Way cooler than I thought it was going to be in December.
Yeah, it almost kind of feels like you're in the mountains a little bit.
No. No. Like, this is so sweet. Lake Superior is pretty cool to snowboard in front of. It's cold.
First wad up of the day. You ate shit hard.
That was bad.
You're just sending that powder too hard. You alright though?
I'm good.
Your face is full of snow.
Yeah. It went way too fast.
Well, whoever was in the gondola last hotboxed the shit out of it because we are gonna get high in here. It smells so bad.
I feel like it's still in here. They even open the window.
I need to give a little shout out to FXR. These snowboard pants are the most legit. Ride X and the jacket. I'm not even kidding. How good is this stuff? What is that? Whoa. Over there, dude.
So sorry. Oh God. That's stuck. Come here. I'll take the leaf off.
Pepper. Bury that thing.
I'm sinking so deep. Oh. So much powder. Ah! Little midday break to come let the dogs out and hang out with them. So we taking a little break and just hanging out here for probably like 20 minutes. And
Cool thing is, we skied down the hill, unstrapped, and then just walked a few hundred feet over here.
yeah, Lutsen definitely is super convenient with like the locations of those hotels and obviously like the ski in, ski out, which is really cool. Really feels like you're kind of in the mini mountains. So I'm a big fan. The runs obviously aren't quite as long as the mountains, but it's still really nice. And of course we got coffee.
Gosh, people think we're addicts. We really aren't that bad. It's just whenever we take a weekend trip, we're just coffee. All the fun is had.
I'll try to record another run, but it's just so hard with my phone. Last time we did it, we were in deep powder, so maybe this time. That's safe. Look at the lake. Got about less than 2 hours left, and this lake view is so sick. See ya.
No.
That's the old guy that went around saying, you know, I cheated that fool.
No.
The big burly guy.
We had fun.
We had all the fun. Highly recommend Lutsen.
Especially if you have dogs.
Dog friendly.
All of them are, I think. I believe everyone is. Especially when we were at.
You had the most crashes this weekend?
Yep. I'm real sore today.
You're getting after it though.
Got like whiplash. My neck is sore.
The powder was so good here too.
I was very impressed.
Most of the powder though was on runs that were close, but we just accidentally went off course.
I didn't really know where I was going. I've never been here, so I accidentally led us to a lot